How did the Educator Academy help you use data to match students to resources?
So as educators, one of the biggest things we want to ensure is that we're using the data that we collect from our students from different assessments to push the instruction, to push the way that we teach. So with a lot of the assessments, you're able to get a Lexile score. So with that Lexile score, it's easier for you to kind of gear your instruction towards meeting the needs that students may have a lack in. Once you have that measure, you know what tools you could utilize from the hub to help push them where they need to be, or you also know what tools you could utilize from the hub to kind of scaffold them and help them grow.
Start your journey today. info.istation.com/metametrics. Copyright 2023, Metametrics, Inc.